Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be talking about the Wall Street Pepe. It is finally there, and it's you can start trading and you can start to claim your tokens if you have some. Before we start, just to let you know that this is not a financial advice. Everything what I say here is for only for educational and entertainment purposes. So you need to do your own research, okay, before you do invest in any sort of assets like this one. Okay, so Wall Street Pepe. Okay, so finally it's there. Okay, it's been live for now for like a couple of hours at least. Okay, so we know that there's the price movement is very there's so many people actually took the profits, probably because they claim their tokens, and so they obviously they took their profits, which is obvious of most of the people, they usually do that way. Okay, and there was some buyouts and there we go, and now we start there's some more regular price movement. Okay, but look, it's all been volatile since launch a few hours ago, and probably will stay like that for some time. Okay, so I highly encourage you to not make a decision just rapidly. Just think what might happen in the future. Okay, but look, it's there, like people took profits, and suddenly there are like some other people that discovered that might be a good price now to get into it. And because when it comes to the Wall Street Pepe, it's not like a random coin. Okay, it's been there for a while, like this announcement that this is going live. People are talking about it for some time. When we go, for example, to their Twitter account, when it goes to Twitter, so let's see, it's a 53,000 people actually following the account. Okay, so it's not like a unknown project. People are talking about this project. Okay, there are a huge number of followers. When you go into their Telegram, when you go, for example, to their pinned messages, they're saying like listen on CoinGecko. Okay, which is quite cool. So already there on the CoinGecko, people are talking about it. Many people are actually there, like 27,448 members. Okay, so it's something which it's there. Okay, and it's quite popular, right? So, and now they actually established their own coin, and this coin is live. So, and it's already been launched on CoinGecko as well. So look guys, it's something which you might be interesting to joining in. Okay, if you've been if you have some already tokens, okay, obviously you can claim those tokens. You need to collect those connect the wallet. Or I don't have any tokens, so I won't be collecting here connecting here because I don't have anything to claim. Bear in mind that this is because it's a brand new, there's a huge volatility here. Okay, prices going up, going down, and so it's on the Ethereum network. Okay, the the gas, it's pretty expensive. Okay, if you want to trade this one at the moment, you need to either have like thousands and thousands of dollars worth of this token, otherwise it's gonna cost you money. Okay, so to claim that doesn't cost you much. Okay, but if you want to start trading, buying, selling, okay, or like converting from one to another, this might take you some sort of profits out of out of your wallet. Okay, it's because it's Ethereum. There's a high congestions right now. People are actually quite interesting. A huge demand on this token, so the prices are quite significant. Okay, so unless you're doing the thousands and thousands in transactions, I would rather wait for some time, till everything will calm down, so then you can start, doing some exchanges here. Okay, so market cap at the moment 36.2 million. Okay, liquidity 1.7 million. So yeah, it's about 30,000 holders for the moment, and total market cap 36, right? So it's something which obviously just started off. Okay, it's many people actually hold this token. Many people actually have something here which they already they already claimed. All right, so but for the moment, I'll just keep an eye on it. Do not do make decisions like looking like, oh my god, it's dumping us. Usually it's dumping because people are taking profits, right? It's so new. Okay, but it doesn't look like it's going anywhere. Like for example, because with such amount of people who actually follow following this token, okay, on both on Telegram and also on Twitter, okay, it looks like it's gonna stay for some time. Look, everything can change in a matter of seconds. Obviously, guys, this is not a financial advice. You know how it is in crypto, so do not consider this as a financial advice. But as I said, like, do not make sudden decisions. Just think for a while before you decided to do anything about this token. Look, right now, there you go. It was a dump here, okay, and then another dump here, but the people start buying off, so the price is going up again, so it's something which probably will stop with such a volatile after some time, maybe tomorrow, maybe a few days, maybe who knows, maybe a few weeks, and will be start trending, sideways, like it's instead of just going up and down. Okay, so yeah, if you want to stake, obviously you can stake here. You can this token WEPE, you can stake here, available to stake, and then everything obviously you can claim. So far there's so many tokens being staked, okay, and if you want like WEPE token rewards are distributed at the rate of 3044.14 WEPE per 8 block, okay, so your percentage of the pool will determine what percentage of the 3044.14 WEPE tokens you receive, okay, so that's the calculator, okay, when it comes to this staking, okay. Estimated rewards, so it's 15% per annum, rewards rate is dynamic. Monthly rewards percentage per obviously by 12, and daily rewards percentage by 365. And obviously everything can change, depends of the what is the demand for the token, okay. So obviously that's not static, okay, it's everything is dynamic, okay. So as I said, current rewards 33,044, and total rewards I don't have anything because I haven't staked here, okay. So how to buy, obviously you can go to how to buy a WEPE token, okay. That's the token address, okay, and that's the current supply of the token, okay. Get wallet. WEPE Army already have wallets, but if not, try MetaMask or Best Wallet. You can even buy WEPE directly on upcoming tokens in Best Wallet, okay. So either the MetaMask, Best Wallet, that's what you can use to actually purchase this one, okay. Then you have to fund wallet and buy and stake, right? So claim and token now, you can claim your WEPE tokens, okay. So as I said, like today you can start claiming it, right? So you can plus stake your tokens and earn rewards, okay. So you need to add this address into your wallet, okay. Once you add it on, this WEPE token will be available, will be visible there on your, let's say, on your MetaMask wallet, and then you can actually start you can start staking and you can start claiming and everything, guys, okay. Now guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video, okay. So yeah, Pepe is there, okay. I highly encourage you to go and visit their their light paper, okay. It's quite a read here, okay. So what's gonna be happening, like what's, for example, utility of this one. The core utility of the WEPE token is access to WEPE premium trading content and the private WEPE Army community, as well as eligibility to receive rewards for successful traders holding WEPE unlocks, okay. So trading alpha, regular updates with WEPs to make coin picks, market insights, big brain calls, strategies and signals helping you transform your trading game. Exclusive community, only WEPE holders can join the WEPE Army, a private insider group where traders can collaborate and share market knowledge with other DJs, okay. Trading rewards, WEPE token holders can submit their successful trades to the WEPE group and participate in weekly trading competitions where rewards are offered, okay. And also staking rewards, holders earn passive rewards by staking WEPE tokens, helping you increase your stake and encouraging long-term loyalty to WEPE Army. All right, so basically on top of the staking, okay, where it can be, you'll be able to actually earn some rewards in form of the WEPE tokens, okay. And depends what the WEPE token will do on the market, okay. You can either sell it or keep it, so, and if let's say that it goes really up, and all those stakings will be transferred over to USDs, you can definitely sell it and you can make some profits potentially, obviously, and nothing guaranteed, guys, obviously we all know that. Okay, plus you can go, and once you hold this WEPE token, you can join their alpha group, groups, and obviously where the people are obviously just sharing their trading knowledge. They sharing their alpha and everything else. Okay, so for somebody who is actually into the trading, that might consider this as a just a key in, you buy into the group who's it's exclusive community. Okay, you can and only those people who actually own the token can join that group. Okay, so guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. All right, so any questions, leave it down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you can subscribe to my channel, it'd be much appreciated. Thank you.